Um, that means this is Andrew. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, about my project, the traffic ambulance identification and verification system. The what we are going to cover in this presentation is the real life problem to be addressed by the AI project, the AI project, and the environments, the dataset description for the AI project, and also we shall look at how informed search can be applied in my AI project, and also how the uninformed search can be applied to this project. Then we also sum it up with the AI accountability and how I will use it for my project. So, the AI problem I identified here is the ambulances that are delayed at the delayed in traffic. That leads to loss of lives of people. So, how I've come to address this problem is to come up with a traffic ambulance identification and verification system that will be able to verify ambulances on the road and also give them where to pass. Then the environment for this project to work on the road to be effective on these roads with heavy traffic because it is the busy roads with heavy traffic that may have ambulances that may be delayed. Thus, work expensive because the work for the ambulances that will be delayed in traffic. Then, for the AI agents for my project, we see here that an agent is anything in an AI project that perceives information, that perceives the environment through sensors and act on the environment through actuators. Now, here a sensor is not connected to a system that gets information from the environment. Then it also has features that can be able to give feedback to the environment depending on what it does. Now, for my AI project, I will use a robotic agent that will have sensors, and these sensors will be cameras and microphones. Because for the camera sensor to capture images of ambulances in the traffic. Then for the microphone sensor, it will listen out for the siren sound made by the ambulances to identify if an ambulance is in a rush to go to the hospital or not. Because what I've come to realize is that ambulances may be in traffic, but not all of them may be having patients or victims being rushed to hospital. Some may be on the traffic but doing other things or in the traffic like without any victims, but those ones specifically with victims have a siren. So in my data set, I've included the audio part of it because it has to capture both the image of the ambulance and also capture the sound. If at all the ambulance wants to take a person to the hospital. Then for the dataset description, my project, the data contained dataset consists of images categorized according to their size, their shape, their length, and level, plus audio, because that's in my last presentation, I had it included audio in my dataset. So for this impairment realized that I need audio, my dataset I'll have to include the audio part because I have to capture the sound the ambulances make on the road so that the AI project gets to know that this ambulance really needs to take a patient to the hospital. Then here now I want to look at how prompt search can be applied to my AI project. So in informed search here, information about the problem is available that can guide in the search. For example, we have algorithms such as in informed search, there is this algorithm called the greedy algorithm, whereby here it is used to verify, and now my project ambulances can be verified feature by feature. Another ambulance has, okay, an ambulance may have those lights, something like that, or maybe having different given size or given shape. Now, what I have to do for this AI project, a video algorithm under the informed search will identify the ambulance feature by feature, but to always choose the next feature that offers the most obvious and immediate benefit. And then for the case of an informed search, how it can be applied to my AI project. And informed search here, I will look at here only information provided in this form of search is the problem definition, but there is no domain knowledge such as closeness or location of the goal available. So here I have no working data set. So it is the AI model that has to learn, that has to commonly call it deep learning, but it has to capture information and be able to categorize it in order to solve the given problem, to come up with its own solution, not to make its own goals. So here, many algorithms can be used under this uninformed search, such as the depth first search, the breadth first search, the uniform cost search, and there are very many other kinds. Now, here for the AI accountability. AI accountability basically means looking for solid evidence of governance at an organizational level, including clear goals and objectives for the AI system. Now, in AI accountability, we look at consider 4 dimensions. Number one is governance, where appropriate governance of AI can help to manage risk, demonstrate ethical values, and ensure compliance. You also have data, and it is important to have documentation of how data is to be used to build the underlying model and when the AI system in actual operation. Then the performance, whereby the documentation of the AI system stated purpose along within the definitions of performance metrics and the methods used to access the people. The performance of the AI project is crucial because for my AI project, its performance is crucial. So like documentation of its performance is very necessary in order to account for this AI project. Then I have the monitoring bit of it, whereby I have the monitoring bit of it, whereby which includes establishing a range of a model that is acceptable and sustained monitoring to ensure that the system produces expected results. So monitoring is also crucial if it comes to AI accountability. Now, how I will incorporate AI accountability or how I can apply it to my AI budget. So in governance, I should ensure that the governance structures are assessed by having well-defined roles, responsibilities, and lines of authority. Then, for the data, I should ensure that the data I use for my system must be understood, plus the documentation about the sources of my data or the origins of my data should be also made so that I can ensure that the data is complete, the data is of good quality, and the data is of large volume so that I minimize problems of bias in my system. Then another thing is performance. So I should ensure that the performance goals and metrics that they should be defined in order for the management, the project, or the project evaluators to ensure that the project meets intended goals. Then for the other one, for the monitoring bit of it, I should ensure that monitoring plans are reviewed in order to ensure that the system produces the expected results from the problem or from the solution. Because I know that if I come up with an AI project, I have I have I have to come up with a solution. And in that solution, I have to set the goals that I have to come up to after the problem is solved. So monitoring plans should be reviewed in order to come up with expected results. And so that is it for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.